Imagine this moment. You step into a small coffee shop in the United States. The door opens. Someone smiles and says hello. You want to answer. You know some English words, but your mouth feels tight. Your mind feels slow. Today, we will change that feeling. In this time together, you will hear calm, easy English conversations. You will feel safe to listen. You will feel ready to repeat. Little by little, your confidence will grow. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Now listen carefully. English conversations do not need to be fast. They do not need to be perfect. Real English is simple. Real English is friendly. People in the United States use short sentences every day. They repeat ideas. They smile when you try. Today, you will practice English that fits real American life: stores, streets, workplaces, homes. You will hear simple words again and again. This is good. Repetition helps your brain feel calm. When your brain feels calm, learning becomes easy. Let's start slowly. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Good. Say it again. Hello. Nice. Now listen. In the United States, people often say hello to be friendly. They say it to strangers. They say it to neighbors. They say it to coworkers. You do not need to add more words. Hello is enough. Take your time. Say it one more time. Hello. Now listen carefully. Another common greeting is hi. Repeat after me. Hi. Good. Again. Hi. Nice. Hello and hi mean the same thing. You can choose either one. There is no wrong choice. English is flexible. This is important to remember. Let's continue. After hello or hi, people often ask a simple question. They say, how are you? Repeat after me. How are you? Good. Again. How are you? Nice and slow. How are you? This question is friendly. It is not a test. In the United States, people ask this question every day. They do not expect a long answer. Now listen. A simple answer is, I'm good. Repeat after me. I'm good. Good. Again. I'm good. You can also say, I'm fine. Repeat after me. I'm fine. Nice. Both answers are correct. You can smile when you say them. Your smile is part of the conversation. Let's practice a full small conversation. Listen first. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Now repeat slowly. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. Very good. Take your time. There is no rush. Now let's add one more step. In American English, people often return the question. They say, how are you? After answering. Listen. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Now repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Excellent. This is a complete, natural conversation. Now relax. Let's continue to another common situation. Imagine you are in a store. You walk in, a worker looks at you and smiles. They say, can I help you? Repeat after me. Can I help you? Good. Again. Can I help you? This question means the worker is ready to help. It is friendly. Now listen to a simple answer. Yes, please. Repeat after me. Yes, please. Good. Again. Yes, please. You can also say, no, thank you. Repeat after me. No, thank you. Nice. Both answers are polite. Please and thank you are very important in American English. Let's practice. Listen first. Can I help you? Yes, please. Now repeat. Can I help you? Yes, please. Good. Now another one. Can I help you? No, thank you. Repeat slowly. Can I help you? No, thank you. Very nice. Now listen carefully. Sometimes you want to ask for something. You can say, I'm looking for something. Repeat after me. I'm looking for something. Good. Again. I'm looking for something. This sentence is useful in many places: stores, offices, libraries. Let's add one more word. You can say what you want. For example, I'm looking for a jacket. Repeat after me. I'm looking for a jacket. Good. Again. I'm looking for a jacket. You can change the word jacket to anything: shoes, water, a restroom, food. The sentence stays the same. Now let's slow down. Take a breath. You are doing well. Let's continue with another everyday conversation. Imagine you are meeting someone new. They say, "What's your name?" Repeat after me. What's your name? Good. Again. What's your name? This question is very common. Now listen to the answer. My name is Alex. Repeat after me. My name is Alex. Good. Again. My name is Alex. You can change Alex to your own name. Say it slowly. My name is, then say your name. Take your time. Now listen. People often say, "Nice to meet you." Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Good. Again. Nice to meet you. This sentence is polite and friendly. You can answer with the same sentence. Listen. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now repeat both parts. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Excellent. Now relax your face. Let's continue. Imagine you are asking for directions. You feel a little nervous. That is okay. English can still be simple. You can say, "Excuse me." Repeat after me. Excuse me. Good. Again. Excuse me. This phrase is polite. It gets attention kindly. Now listen. You can say, "Where is the bathroom?" Repeat after me. Where is the bathroom? Good. Again. Where is the bathroom? In the United States, people understand this question very well. You can also say, restroom. Repeat after me. Where is the restroom? Nice. Now listen to a simple answer. It's over there. Repeat after me. It's over there. Good. Again. It's over there. People may also point with their hand. You can say, "Thank you." Repeat after me. Thank you. Good. Again, thank you. Now let's practice the full exchange. Listen first. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's over there. Thank you. Now repeat slowly. Excuse me, where is the restroom? It's over there. Thank you. Very good. Let's continue to daily life conversations. Imagine you are at work. A coworker asks, "How is your day?" Repeat after me. How is your day? Good. Again. How is your day? This is a friendly question. Now listen to simple answers. It's good. Repeat after me. It's good. Good. Again. It's good. You can also say, "It's okay." Repeat after me. It's okay. Nice. Both answers are common. Now listen. You can ask back. How about you? Repeat after me. How about you? Good. Again. How about you? This keeps the conversation going. Now let's practice. Listen. How is your day? It's good. How about you? Now repeat slowly. How is your day? It's good. How about you? Excellent. Take a breath. Let's continue. Imagine you are ordering food. You walk to the counter. The worker says, "What would you like?" Repeat after me. What would you like? Good. Again, what would you like? This question is very common. Now listen to a simple answer. I'd like a coffee. Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee. Good. Again, I'd like a coffee. You can change coffee to tea, water, or food. The sentence stays easy. Now listen. The worker may ask, anything else? Repeat after me. Anything else? Good. Again, anything else? You can answer, that's all. Repeat after me. That's all. Good. Again, that's all. Now listen. They may say, your total is $5. Repeat after me. Your total is $5. Good. Again, your total is $5. You can say, here you go. Repeat after me. Here you go. Nice. Then say, thank you. Thank you. Now let's practice. Listen first. What would you like? I'd like a coffee. Anything else? That's all. Your total is $5. Here you go. Thank you. Now repeat slowly, one sentence at a time. Take your time. You are learning real English. Let's continue. Imagine you are talking on the phone. Someone answers and says, hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Good. Again. Hello. You can say, hi, this is Sam. Repeat after me. Hi, this is Sam. Good. Again. Hi, this is Sam. This is how people introduce themselves on the phone. Now listen. You can say, may I speak to Alex? Repeat after me. May I speak to Alex? Good. Again. May I speak to Alex? This is polite and clear. Now listen. They may say, one moment please. Repeat after me. One moment please. Good. Again. One moment please. Or they may say, I'll call you back. Repeat after me. I'll call you back. Nice. Now let's practice. Listen. Hello. Hi, this is Sam. May I speak to Alex? One moment, please. Now repeat slowly. Hello. Hi, this is Sam. May I speak to Alex? One moment, please. Very good. Take a slow breath. Let's continue. Imagine you make small talk. This is common in the United States. Small talk is short and friendly. People talk about simple things. Weather is very common. Someone may say, it's cold today. Repeat after me. It's cold today. Good. Again. It's cold today. You can answer, yes, it is. Repeat after me. Yes, it is. Good. Again. Yes, it is. Now listen. Someone may say, it's nice outside. Repeat after me. It's nice outside. Good. Again. It's nice outside. You can answer, I agree.